What's happening, guys? Charles and Chargers back with another video, and this one's going to be the RC Explosion Box Football. Looking forward to getting into this one. If you haven't yet, do your boy a solid and go check out my video of the high-end Explosion Box baseball. We pulled a pretty sweet card. All right, here's our pack lineup for this bad boy. We'll set that back there and talk about it as we go. I'm better prepared this time. Dump the peanuts out of the box. Set that bad boy right there. Alright, looking at 98 Skybox Metal Universe Retail. 08 Chrome, Topps Chrome. 2010 Topps. 17 Donruss Retail. 18 Prism Retail. 2020 Contenders, and 2020 Prism Retail. Alrighty, can't wait to tear into all these here. Let's get started. 98 Skybox Metal Universe, looking for Peyton Manning and Randy Moss. Man, these cards look awesome. Starting off with Eric Metcalf and the Chargers uni. They're just a little stuck. Ernie Conwell. Vonnie Holiday, I remember him. Jake the Snake Plumber. Nice Eddie George. Planet Football. That is a sweet looking card. Just an insert, but still sweet looking. Man, if I could bring one thing back into the hobby today, it's the look of 90s inserts. Okay, got Alonzo Mays and Frank Sanders. I don't think the 90s insert looks will ever be beat. And the funny thing is, the technology is so much better today. And the inserts are nice, but compared to then, they're lazy. Just my opinion. 08 Topps Chrome, Matt Ryan, Tom Brady 9th year, and Joe Flacco. There we go. All right. Steve Slayton, rookie. Vernon Davis, that's cool. Dwight Clark, Super Bowl 19. And Antonio Cromartie. That's cool. Jersey number for the number of kids he has. Kidding, I think. 2010 Topps, Gronk, Tebow, Dez, and Dominican Sue. Oh, shit. All right. Starting off with Donald Driver, Tony G, Robert Meacham, the French way there, Pierre Garçon. Oh, man, look at that. Arguably the most underrated wide receiver, Andre Johnson, rookie. That's that blue parallel. If he's not the most, he is one of the most underrated wide receivers. That's a good card, though. Gridiron Lineage, Eric Dickerson, Joe Adai. That's a nice card. That's cool. Phillip Rivers. I may have this, but if not, it's going right to the PC. Leon Hall, Philip Dillard, rookie, and we got the Tim Tebow rookie. That's pretty cool. That is cool. All right, 2017 Donruss Retail. Mahomes, Cooper Kupp, Deshaun Watson, Christian McCaffrey, Alvin Kamara, and Delvin Cook. We will start off with Alfred Morris, Torrey Smith, Josh Doctson, Travis Kelce, John Kuhn, Whitney Merciless, Matt Ryan, throwback. Okay. Davis Webb, rated rookie, and expired kid reporter. It looked good. It looked good for a minute. Alrighty, 2018 Prism. Let's see, Josh Allen, Lamar Jackson, Baker, Nick Chubb, and Saquon. We will start off with Cole Beasley. Nice Julio Jones illumination. Those are sweet cards. Denzel Ward, rookie. Ndamukong Suh. And a little kid reporter again. Alright, last couple packs. I'm pretty excited for these. '20 contenders. Burrow, Herbert, Taylor, Tua, Jordan Love, Justin Jefferson, CeeDee Lamb, Jonathan Taylor. Throw out a quick blank for a second there. Alright, hard hitting Jason Witten. I think we got an insert. Could be wrong. Teddy B, Teddy Two Gloves, Delvin Cook, Scary Terry, Matthew Stafford, and John Regan's legendary. Alright, final pack. Same list of guys. We have KJ Wright, Sam Hubbard, Jeff Okuda, nope, not a rookie. That's not bad though, Anthony Miller. There are far worse to get than him. Anthony Miller. All right. So just a quick recap. The two main ones we got, Andre Johnson, the blue, and we got the Tim Tebow. So pretty happy with that. So I said something pretty good. Thanks again to Filmington for putting this together, obviously. Every month, I'm very glad I was able to jump on it and get a subscription. So I'll be looking forward to next month's. And that's all I got for this one, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.